Systems check complete. Stall warning, airspeed dropping. Initiating recovery. Roger. Max thrust set. Breaking the stall.
Banking hard left. Holding steady.
Target convoy is here. Squad 1, move to intercept coordinates immediately. All clear, proceed! Yes, sir!
Identification and clearance codes.
Zulu Kilo 479er.
Access granted. Proceed into the facility.
Good morning. We are live at NextGenProcessLab, where the controversial Shahed 136 drone is being unveiled.
This is Iran Drone City, the fortified manufacturing hub where the feared Shahed 136 Kamikaze drones are produced en masse.
Behind me lies Iran Drone City, the expansive underground factory responsible for the production of the Shahed 136 Kamikaze drones.
Ensure the next automated vehicle is loaded correctly.
Confirmed. The engine mounts are secured.
Line 2. Check the torque settings immediately.
Alignment checks out. It is secured. Confirmed. Let's bolt it down.
This is where the avionics integration happens. The flight control harness connects directly to our next-gen process system. As you can see, the technician is now carefully inserting the flight controller module before securing the wiring harnesses inside the fuselage.
This video contains simulated military content for educational purposes only. NextGenProcessLab.